After spending a good amount of time playing the game, we found that Fortnite Battle Royale's map is filled with a fair few Easter eggs, not to mention some pretty intriguing secrets too. Although quite a few of them are rather easy to find, and others are frankly hiding in plain sight, the final few are hidden so artfully that the odds of finding them by accident alone are rather slender. Today we will be gaming around such 10 things you don't know about Fortnite. Let's get going. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. The Golden Mushroom. Fortnite Season 3 has essentially drowned the Battle Royale map, leaving only a few dry spots. While the majority of the community is struggling to find shields and high quality loot, a few lucky players ended up locating a golden mushroom. Recently, popular Fortnite streamer and YouTuber Cypher PK announced a whopping $500 reward for anyone who could find these rare mushrooms. Although the chances of stumbling upon a mythic rarish room are rare in itself, there is yet another mythic item which millions of Fortnite players may never be able to witness firsthand. If you haven't already guessed, the mythic goldfish remains to be the rarest item in Fortnite with its 1 in a million spawn rate, making it practically impossible to find. Number 9. The chest with arms and legs. The crash test dummy made an appearance in the season's trailer and can also be seen on a hill on Junk Island, where it is half buried near a dumpster. While Fortnite users worldwide have been waiting for an official confirmation from Epic Games on the skin, no such news has been forthcoming. Further, one look at all body parts that have been strewn around can tell us that the skin has actually been defined and already has a complete in-game model. While an arm and a leg can be found in a dumpster, the other leg is trampled under some red metal debris nearby. The rest of the body can be seen submerged in water. Further, two chests with the Crash Dummy logo and body parts have also cropped up on the map. The chest with little arms and legs is located on the outskirts of the Fortnite map. The second chest is located in a deserted fortress towards the north of the Fortnite map. This one is standing posed in the corner of the room with its arms and legs raised. While there is no way confirmed that the skin will soon be released, the evidence cannot be ignored. Number 8. Marvel and DC skins. This isn't the first time Marvel and DC superheroes have interfered with Fortnite. Through Captain America's skin trailer, many fans have watched clues of Thor's upcoming arrival. In the mini clip promoting Captain America's skin, you can notice a strange close-up of the camera on the floor. On the still smoking earth is drawn a symbol which could well be that of Asgard, where Thor, another well-known Avenger played by Chris Hemsworth, is from. Fans have also detected in the trailer a use of Bifrost, the dimensional energy allowing teleportation between kingdoms also used by Asgard. It's harder to say whether all the Avengers could soon appear in game, since at the time of writing only Thor's presence is most probable. Some experts still doubt that these elements could be evidence of Thor's arrival in Fortnite. If the cosmetic should appear, it goes without saying that Mjolnir, the famous hero's hammer, could be a harvesting tool of choice. Number 7. My name is Jeff. Fortnite has a new glider for players to ride into battle with that looks like a folded up paper airplane, and hidden within that glider is what looks to be a reference to a meme from 22 Jump Street. Epic Games recently released the paper plane glider as part of the calculator crew gear that's seen below, and on its surface it looks like any old piece of paper a student could doodle on and fold into an airplane. Some equations are mixed in with doodles, but it wasn't until players got into the game with the item to see the underside of it that they noticed the words "My name is Jeff" on the bottom of a wing. For those not in the know, the meme comes from 22 Jump Street, the sequel to 21 Jump Street. In that movie, actors Channing Tatum and Jonah Hill go undercover once again, this time on a much larger operation, and they have to give themselves fake names at one point. Tatum supposed to follow Hill's lead and did so by saying 4 words that led to the creation of the meme, "My name is Jeff." Number 6. Marauders. The new season is a heads up for many players as they are having a time of their life, killing all the opponents, bosses, and marauders as well. Marauders are a gang of mean OP henchmen that respawn from the meteors that break down from the battle royal sky. A user needs to be safe from them as they are overpowered, and it is hard to eliminate marauders that chase you down in the entire game. It is hard to locate marauders in Fortnite as they appear through meteors falling from the sky on the map, which keeps falling many times in a match. However, it is advised to go with your team and not solo. Unless you think you are a pro player. YouTuber The Smith Plays made a video that touched on the topic. He draws our attention to the marauders and who's behind the mask. In a separate video, The Smith Plays comes to the conclusion that Battle Royale is a simulation created and owned by the characters in Save the World. When you look behind the mask of marauders, you find other Save the World characters. This isn't just Epic reusing assets, as they could have chosen any skin that already exists in the Battle Royale universe. Why choose characters that are exclusive to Save the World? It's not likely that this is a coincidence. Number 5. Meowscles. Meowscles is an epic outfit in the Battle Royale that could be obtained at level 60 of the Chapter 2 Season 2 Battle Pass. Meowscles was previously a spy boss at the Yacht until it was taken over by Deadpool. Meowscles was hinted at back in Season 7 in the feline by design loading screen. A concept art called Buff Cat was also created in response to the loading screen. At the end of Chapter 2 Season 1, many leaks of this outfits were released, including a teaser. In the end, Meowscles is unlocked at level 60 of the Chapter 2 Season 2 Battle Pass. He is also revealed to be the father of Kit in Chapter 2 Season 3. Number 4. The Simpsons in Fortnite. Fortnite Battle Royale is a success in almost all aspects, is no novelty. However, it still hides a few secrets such as that which now occupies us. No, don't talk about what happened during the event to the black hole, but of a curious Easter egg on The Simpsons. The Chapter 2 has brought a good amount of what's new, and one of them obviously are some new areas to visit. One of them is Kevolution Energy, a kind of nuclear power plant. No, it is not for us to say that the nuclear power plant is the Easter egg in itself. If we enter within, we'll see that there are all the rooms needed to generate energy using the power of the cube, and of course, there are also a series of control rooms. Well, if we enter the small, which would be the room supervisor, we'll find a detail of the most interesting. It is not a sign of do it for her, but since then, it's Max Homer. Number 3. Aquaman's Trident. You all have reached the end of the Fortnite Aquaman challenges, as this is the week you can finally claim both the Jason Momoa base skin and the trident, which you literally have to do by claiming the trident itself at Coral Cove, which is this week's challenge. The final challenge to unlock the skin is to claim the trident, and this is where you're heading on the map in the mostly still drowned Coral Cove area by the giant whirlpool. There are actually 3 identical rock formations around the giant shell island and the whirlpool, and apparently the trident can spawn at any of them. I guess this is maybe to discourage 100 players on the map flocking to one tiny rock, as 3 tiny rocks at least spreads that out a little bit. Number 2. The older films' Easter eggs. The folks over at Epic Games are certainly no strangers to implementing Easter eggs into their games, though the one recently discovered within Fortnite is certainly deserving a top billing, partly because it involves Adam West, Batman, and well, partly because it's just a really cool reference. The news comes by way of Comic Book, which reported that players of the massively popular Battle Royale title Fortnite uncovered a new achievement available within the game called Shark Repellent that is obtainable by dealing 1966 damage to the loot sharks added in the latest season update to the game. Damaging said sharks allow players to traverse the flooded map, so it's by no means impossible to unlock the achievement. For those unfamiliar, the name of the achievement references one of the many outlandish scenes from Adam West's celebrated run as Batman, where the titular character pulls a bottle of Batman's shark repellent spray off his utility belt in the series 1966 movie. If that wasn't enough, that particular part of the movie also referenced the original source, a Batman comic from 1958. Number 1. Deadpool's Shrine. It might be Aquaman's season here in Fortnite Battle Royale, but Deadpool is still making his presence known. At the end of the last season, he took over Meowscles' yacht, and now he has transformed the thing into a ramshackle, Waterworld-style fortress, complete with living quarters, shrine, and some chill electronic music. It's not named a POI, but it's hard to miss. There is a giant Deadpool head on it. And that would be all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to The Unleashed for daily jaw-dropping content. Until next time, keep vibing.